What is going on, everyone? Today is a very important day here in Australia. It's that time of year again. That's right. Change your Prime Minister. Change your smoke detector battery. That's right, everyone. Don't forget, every time we get a new Prime Minister, you need to change your smoke alarm battery. It's a community service announcement. Very important. Could save your life. But more importantly, what is going on with the state of the politics in this country? How can, or what's the point in voting in an elected official if then the party is just going to decide to vote him out? What's the point? Why bother? There needs to be a change in the law that basically says once you're in, you're in. You're in for your term. You're in for the duration. You're in for 4 years, unless, you know, impeachment, death, or, you know, they just want to retire. It can't be that the party decides, oh, we don't want him as Prime Minister anymore, I want to turn. It can't work like that. There has to be a change in the constitution of this country that prevents that. Otherwise, why go to an election? Why have them? Why not just, you know, randomly choose a politician's name out of the hat and go, hey, it's your turn. Everyone decides they don't want it to be your turn. Then someone else gets a turn. It's not right. There needs to be a change. But on the plus side, it does mean that it's probably only 2 Prime Ministers till Christmas now. So that's something to look forward to. The bike. Now, if you like what you've seen, over there is the subscribe button. Down there is a Patreon button, and down there is another video for you to watch. So click one of those. Woohoo!